एक गोपाल था ना तो huh? No, they put in like this.
The cushion, Gopal.
Gopal.
Somebody gave to us, and then we just nobody uses it as a cushion. Where's the cushion?
What's that?
It was just on the top there. Yes. Not using as a cushion.
We saved him.
You have to put it away. Not using as a cushion.
इसको उठा लो ऐसा बनाना ठीक नहीं है कोई बढ़ जाएगा फिर
Okay.
एक Sunny day, okay? Huh? What your question?
Question.
No question.
I have many questions.
You have many questions.
Too many. I need 5 months in your association. I would like to come and travel with you, maybe as soon as I can get.
Yeah?
My health is not good, but when my health is better, I would very much like to come and travel with you.
Maharaj, I was thinking when we were walking, that Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur in that song, he says, Chala Vega Domi, Chala Dosaso, Chala Guna Dehadas. Yeah. We know that the Vaishnavas are ready to give all these things. Yeah. But the thing is, I was thinking, okay, Vaishnavas are ready, they are giving this. But where is my qualification? Do I have enough grit for that? Or do I have some qualification? Because it says that Nitai Prabhu is not looking if who is qualified or who isn't qualified. He's giving to everyone. But I see by myself that by good fortune I have been near great personalities. By my good fortune. But I don't see how my unqualification, my disqualification made me fit to receive that. Even you are giving freely. How is that?
You try to say, what is the qualification of bhakti?
Bhakti is
Bhakti means devotion service, serve Lord. What is the qualification to practice bhakti?
Sadhusanga.
Shraddhavan Janhan Bhakti Adhikari. Chaitanya Krishnadas Kaviraj explained, who has Shraddha, faith, he is qualified to practice bhakti.
Mm-hmm.
So, bhakti not depend on other things, only your simple faith. What is the simple faith? If I will do bhajan and sadhana to Krishna, then my life will be successful. Very simple. Shraddhastu anannopaya varjanam bhaktirmukhi chittavritti vishesha. Shraddha means giving up all kinds of activities, such as karma, jnana, yoga, tapasya. Only practice bhakti. And what is the bhakti? The simple chant holy name. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Yesterday to Nityananda, what did he say? Yateshtare bhato kuru hari hari. Oh my brother, just you chant holy name. Just you chant holy name. I am taking your all responsibility to mature from the material world. I am taking all your responsibility. Just you chant Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So that means bhakti not depend on anything. Bhakti depends on just your simple faith. सफाद्य कृष्णदास कविराज श्रद्धा सद्य विश्वास कई सुदृढ़ निश्चय कृष्ण भक्ति कइले सर्व कर्म कृता कृष्ण भक्ति not others only practice devotion service to Lord Krishna this simple then Nityananda Prabhu Mahaprabhu giving mercy this is the simple but this is should be chant holy names with sadhu sangha sadhu sangha nam sankirtan chant holy names with the assistance of sadhu sangha not do anything.
What is the meditation recommend for those who,
When
when you are not present, when the sadhu is not present,
When
how the
you-
person,
yeah,
how the
when you
person
go
be in your
When
association?
you associate sadhu, they listen Hari Katha. Sadhu Sangha means here. Listen Hari Katha. Hari Katha.
When the sadhu goes away, like us here writing, I have no association.
Hari, as a sadhu always with you. Two kinds of sadhu are saying. Bhakti, what is called? Guru Ganda Maharaj is saying. One is called Grantha Bhagavat and Bhakta Bhagavat. Grantha Bhagavat, also sadhu. You are reading Gurudev books. That means you associate with Gurudev. You are reading Rupa Goswami's book Grantha books. You are associated with Rupa Goswami. It's simple. You are reading Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. So that means you are associated with Rupa Goswami. You are reading Chaitanya Charitamrita. That means you are associated with Krishnadas Kaviraj. So Grantha Sadhu and Bhakta Sadhu. So as a Guru Ganda says, one is called Bhakta Sadhu and Grantha. Bhakta Sadhu, that is called Jivanta. Jivanta Bhagavat. Jivanta Bhagavat means, how do you understand Jivanta Bhagavat? Alive. Because Jivanta Bhagavat, that means you associate with devotees, that means Jivanta Bhagavat. Grantha Bhagavat, Grantha Bhagavat, that book, but sometimes you cannot understand the meaning or purport of the Grantha, scriptures. Sometimes you cannot understand. Because there are many meanings coming. One slok, there are many meanings coming. Many meanings are coming. Bhagavad Vibhu. Prati akshare, prati sloke, nana artha ka. Srimad Bhagavati is great. And Sanskrit slokas in there. All the verses of Srimad Bhagavad, that is what? Sanskrit verses. And every slokas, every word, there are many meanings are coming. In Bhagavad Vibhu. Prati sloke, prati arthe, prati sloke, prati sabde, nana artha ka. There are many meanings coming. So which meaning is the perfect, how do you know? So when we associate with Bhakta Bhagavat, then you understand the perfect meaning. Atma Ramascha Munyo Nirganta Hari Urukram. This sloka is Bhagavad. Even the Atmaram Purush, those who are self-satisfied and fulfill all his desires, Atmaram Aptavan Purush, if they listen Krishna Katha, they will give up the meditation of Brahma. So saying Atma Ramascha Munyo Nirganta Hari Urukrame Kurbanti Ahetuke. That time they will automatically will give up meditation of Brahma. And this slok, Sarva Bhattacharya, he explained 9 meanings. How many? 9. One word. He also is 9 meanings. Because Sarva Bhattacharya, he was great, intelligent person. Has vast of knowledge. But same slok Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told Sanatana Goswami, Sarva Bhattacharya, 18th meaning. And without touching is anyone. But the same Atmanamascha Muna, this sloka of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu explained Sanatana Goswami Pad, 64 meanings. So that means is what I am saying. ये भागवत विभु प्रति श्लोके प्रति शब्दे नाना अर्थ का. Every verses, every sloka, every word, many meanings come. So which meaning is perfect? So these things you can understand with the association of Bhakta Bhagavat. So Bhakta Bhagavat is called Jivanta Bhagavat. Jivanta Bhagavat, understand? Life first. Because Jivanta Bhagavat and Bhakta Bhagavat, it will be clarified. And which meaning is perfect? This is the main thing. So, but every time not possible to associate Jivanta Bhagavat. So what you will do? So you have to read Grantha Bhagavat. What you listen, and then you remember. So three things are Shravan, Kirtan and Smaran. If Vaishnava is there, Sadhu is there, you can listen. And or if not Vaishnava is there, what will do? Kirtan. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Otherwise not. Sometimes you are there. Smaran. Smaran means meditate, remember. What you listen, what you learn, and then remember. Chanting holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. What do you remember? Oh, now Srimati Radhika is now in Javat, after taking her bath, morning, all kinds of activities. She is putting many kinds of alankar. Alankar, understand? Decoration. Ornaments, very nice, beautiful. What is called blue sari, all these things. Ramani, Siromani, Visabhanu, Nandini, Neelavasana Paridhanam. Bhaktivinoda Thakur sang this song. Ramani, Siromani, Visabhanu, Nandini, Neelavasana Paridhanam. Very nice, beautiful blue sari. She decorated and many kinds of ornaments. All the Sakhis, especially Manjaris, they also put many kinds of ornaments. Then she is going to Nandaga. And she is not going alone. Especially Kundalata. Kundalata, she is always with Srimati Radhika. Because Jatila, Kutila, they have trust, faith with Kundalata. Hey Kundalata, and you can bring my daughter-in-law. So for this regard, Kundalata, she also every day used to come, Javat, and bring to Srimati Radhika, Javat to Nandagaon. Then, especially all the Manjaris also surrounded with Srimati Radhika. They are going. On the way, they also speaking many sweet katha. That they stimulated in the heart of Srimati Radhika. And one flower, you look how how these flowers, the blossom. That means Srimati Radhika, your heart is as like what is called blossom flowers. And we saw one black bee, or also or honey bees. What is called humming, flying over the. That is then Srimati Radhika, she smiled. That is his what? Krishna. How Krishna attracted with Srimati Radhika's heart. Actually, when Srimati Radhika works, that time automatically all the flowers blossom. Understand this? Even Srimati Radhika speak a sweet fragrance coming from her mouth, mukhavasa. You know mukhavasa? The fragrance of breath of Srimati Radhika. And automatically all kinds of honeybees. They are thinking, oh, this is maybe one very nice, beautiful blossom. Okay. All their Mahamaya. In this way. Then Srimati Radhika is going. Then also saying, oh, how is beautiful this tamal tree. This tamal tree also decorated with the, what is called, golden creepers. Then Srimati Radhika says, smile. Then they explain. Tamal tree is the personification of Krishna. Or golden creeper is the personification of Srimati Radhika. So that means that giving the sign. Hey Radhe, now you are going to Nandagaon. Now, and you will meet with beloved Govinda. Because Srimati Radhika sometimes she is very anxious. Oh, may I meet with Krishna or not? And Krishna Nam Gun Ru Jas Avatam Sakkani. Chaitanya Charitamrita, Srimati Radhika's all what is the ornaments of his limbs of the body. The Krishna Nam Roop Gun Jas. Krishna Nam. Krishna Roop. Jas of Krishna's face. That is, this is the Avatam Sakkani. Avatam understand? The ornaments of the ears. That is Avatam Sakkani. Generally, young ladies they are putting the ornaments in their ears. Different kind. But Srimati Radhika's what are the ornaments? What is this type of Krishna Nam Roop? Externally, they also decorate Srimati Radhika's ears with the different flowers, ornaments. But his main ornament is Krishna Nam Roop Gun Jas Avatam Sakkani. Always Sakhi. And Srimati Radhika is very, very young, youth. Just she is very shy. Understand? And she also hold her left hand on the shoulder of her Sakhi. So in this way Srimati Radhika she is going. So then on the way, then Krishna is milking the cows. Then Krishna, Srimati Radhika she noticed. Oh, Krishna is there. Or Krishna knowingly blocked the road and brought the cows on the middle of the road and started milking. Then Srimati Radhika, that Sakhi go, oh, here the blackish person. He is milking the cows. Maybe he will disturb to us. So he should not go this way. Then when Sakhi is told, we should not go this way because that blackish person, Krishna, will disturb to us. We should not. Then Srimati Radhika so much enthusiastic. Why not? This road is not his. This road belongs to everybody. Understand? And you have to go. First Srimati Radhika thinking we should not go this way. But when Sakhi is of Srimati Radhika, Sakhi is told, we should not go this way, that means you are so much enthusiastic. It is stubborn. You know? You have to go. Then Srimati Radhika heart melted, just taking darshan of Govinda, their heart melted and tears flowing down. And she is thinking again and again, I have to take darshan, my beloved Govinda. And here Krishna is very clever. Sometimes milking kite, actually Krishna is not that way. Krishna, what is he doing? Pretending. And looking. Srimati Radhika, again doing this, and again this. But Srimati Radhika, she is very eager to take darshan of the lotus face of Govinda. That time Srimati Radhika, she broke her, what is it called?
Necklace.
What is it called? Necklace. And pearls necklace. Pearls necklace. Then she knowingly, then she says, oh, so is all mine, and pearls also scattered. Then she is also collecting. But why she is collecting? Taking darshan to Govinda. This she actually she is also pretending. She can go very quick, but she does not want to go quick. Eh? She is knowingly broke her necklace. Eh? And collecting one and looking. Lotus is a Govinda. Then anyhow, they all the necklace again. Sakhi they also put the necklace around the middle Srimati Radhika. Then Srimati Radhika she cannot walk. Because so much that is called the prem, divine love. She cannot also lift her feet. And one step away, then she cannot go. Different, this is called different anubhavs. Different Shakti ki vikar coming. 8 and what is it? Ecstatic mood. Romancha, Kompasra, Boiborn. So what happened to Govinda Darshan? And if you take darshan to Govinda, what kinds of feeling? Only Srimati Radhika she knows. No one can understand. She cannot walk. Very gently and softly, one by one step she is going. And tears rolling down this way. Then sometimes Sokhi are saying, here Srimati Radhika, why you are crying? Yeah. Maybe there are the cows, there's some of the dust coming from the hoofs of the cows. So for this regard, this dust in my ears. Then Sokhi they are putting this way and give the, what is it called? Blowing. Yeah? This is the doing this. Yeah. She is very clever. So how to do this? How to hide the prema? And prem should not open. Prem should be hide. No, in the same way, Srimati Radhika, I have no prem, it's nothing. But those who are manjari, they realize what happened. Sometimes Sakhis, those who are neutral Sakhis, they are thinking, oh, maybe this is dust, Then Srimati Radhika, very calming close. And Krishna knowingly also taking the milk and that steam the milk and putting in the around the face of Srimati Radhika and making very nice, beautiful
decoration.
Gopidas is coming. Very nice. Then Srimati Radhika, internally Srimati Radhika is very happy. But externally, she is showing her anger. Prema Kautilya. How's prem is as like crooked. This
likes that.
That time thinking, oh, Krishna is with that time maybe Jogmansi then Srimati Radhika maybe little bit water and on the water little bit also small also stone is there. So when Srimati Radhika step on the stone, then there the mud water and going to Krishna and Krishna's water is going very nice. This is so why do you saying? Because if not sadhu, you chant holy names and listen to Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Bhakti এই লীলা স্মরণ গাও কৃষ্ণ নাম অচিরাতে কৃষ্ণ তোমায় করিবেন. When you are alone, then you chant holy names and remember different pastimes. So the এই লীলা স্মরণ গাও কৃষ্ণ নাম অচিরাতে কৃষ্ণ তোমায় করিবেন. Chant holy name and remember. So the Shravan, Kirtan and Smaran. If the sadhu, Jivanta sadhu, they are listening Hari Katha. If no one, then chant Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Sometimes read Grantha, Srimad Bhagavatam, or Brihad Bhagavatam, Mritam, or Rasayan chapters. Very nice, beautiful slokas are there. Many slokas are there. Sunat, especially Sunat, what is called? Explanation of Sanatana Goswami Path. Very nice, beautiful Madhurya Ras Katha is there. Even the sloka of Dasa Sakha Vatsal, but this explanation of Sanatana Goswami Pad, Madhurya. Purna Pulinda Urugaya, Sri Kum Kumeno, Daita Stanamandite. Any slokas you read and absorb and chant. So Sravan, Kirtan, there is sometimes Srimad Bhagavatam. And especially Brihad Bhagavatam. Very nice. You have Brihad Bhagavatam?
I have. Satya Blog.
And especially this was yesterday I said this is called and Krishna Rasan Chakra. Very nice. Madhurya. All slokas is there. Understand? Sanatana Goswami Pad, he collected some verses, slokas from Srimad Bhagavatam. And that, but he gave the explanation, all the Madhurya Rasa Katha. Madhurya Rasa Katha. Hare Krishna. And chant holy name, remember Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Go, Brahman.
In this way you make impression in our hearts and then you go away and then you pick up this little, you pick the hearts and then you go.
Chant holy name, remembering Krishna Katha. So Kartika Rupa Goswami wrote this verse. Tannama Rupa Charitadi Sukritananu
Smrityo Kramena
Kramena Rasana Manasi Nijajju Tishtan Vraji Tadanuragi Jananugami Kalam Naira Kilamitta Upadisa Saram. Tannama Rupa Charitadi Sukritananu Smrito Kramena Rasana Manasi Nijajju Tishtan Vraji Tadanuragi Jananugami. Tat Anuragi, always associated, high class, exalted, Brajarasi Sadhu. Tat Anuragi. Jana Anugami, and follow the footsteps of Brajajan. Who is Brajajan? Srimati Radhika, Nanda, Jasoda, Subal, Sridham. They are called Brajajan. Sadhaka Rupena, Siddho Rupena, Chatrahi. And remembering this. And chanting Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
So this verse you learn. Which verse? Tannamo Rupachritadi Sukritananu Smrito Kramino Rasana Manasi Nijajjo Tishtan Briji Tadanuragi Jananugami Kalam Naira Kilam when you chant it, automatically nice vision will automatically come. Nice vision automatically comes. This is only sadhan. Practice. What you listen from Guru and Krishna, and that you remember. Smaran. So Sravan, Kirtan, and
Vishnu
Smaranam. Automatically we forget all the material things. Automatically lust, anger, everything will be disappear. This is the process. Bhakti Devi manifested in your heart. Then slowly all your anarthas, unwanted things. Especially lust, anger, stupid nonsense things. Because lust, anger is as a big stone. Not so easy to move. Understand? But it's not really. I remember when I was in my house, there's a big stone there. That big stone not moving. So what is sometimes put water, then also do the dancing.
Make a mud.
Then under these mud coming. The big stone under the mud coming. Then after couple hours, then automatically what? They start that stone start to move. That time we are dancing, eh? Usually you cannot do this. In the same way, lust, anger, enviousness, this is as like big stone in our heart. Eh? So how to remove? Put the water. Eh? Put water. What is the water? Harikatha. Eh? Harikatha is there. Eh? Understand? Mahaprabhu, Shravan Kirtan Jade Karasichan. Shravan Kirtan is the water. So when you listen to water, even that one day, that big stone, that is your last anger automatically, then you can easy to move. One big stone, you cannot move because there is a half, some portion inside the earth. But you put water and little dancing, then the water going inside, then already that stone start to move. Then every day you will do this. Then after a couple of days, you can easy to move that the stone. So Krishna Katha, Krishna Nam, this is the process. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. To prepare, packing, 9:30 we leave.
Yes, we must leave 9:30. We get there 11:30.
Madhavanaga Mahaprabhu takes no rest. Madhavanaga Mahaprabhu takes no rest.
Who wants
No,
to take rest?
from Sri Bhaktivedanta.
No,
Anaga
Anaga Mahaprabhu don't want to take, but we are going to drive 2 hours.
I don't know.
It's all right.
The child will settle said. So you do puja, both.
Yeah.
Chant for the that is meant. Okay?
Yeah. No difference.
No. Good, Prema.
Hare.